Good morning, everyone. I am Captain Nayan Chaudhary, a proud SNVPN of 2014 batch. I joined SNVP in 2006 in 5th standard, and in next 8 years, SNVP made me what I am today. It fills my heart with immense gratitude as and when I remember my amazing school days at SNVP. SNVP has always been very close to my heart, as it has not only helped me in shaping up my personality but also gave me a platform for my overall development. Whether it is Vishal sir's charismatic aura as head of the school or Ritu ma'am's guidance, everything from teachers to the curriculum to the infrastructure or the plethora of activities being organized at SNVP has always proved to be of great learning value. I wish SNVP years and years of success. I am really obliged to be part of the SNVP family and will always contribute my humble bit to keep the flag of SNVP flying high. Thank you and all the best.
Hi, I'm Pratham Shukla, a 2017 pass out from Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth Meerut. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's master's dual degree at the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur. Choosing Shantiniketan family for the very crucial years of my school life has been one of the best decisions I've taken and one of those that I'm seriously proud of. Apart from the excellent academic help that I received, everyone was always there for me mentally and emotionally. The faculty, the staff were always there for me and they were ready to push me hard towards my goals. I would like to extend a very honest note of thanks to everyone who was a part of that journey, who was with me during those 2 years, the teachers, the administration, and the very delightful peer group. And in the end, I just want to wish the best luck to the entire institution for all the future endeavors they'll venture into. All the very best.
Hi friends, my name is Manvi Singh and presently I am pursuing my graduation from Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management. Yes, of course, I'm a pass out of SNVP from 2019 batch itself, and I was young when I entered the walls of SNVP, and I was pretty excited and pretty happy to see the surroundings of SNVP, which were very eco-friendly. The volleyballs, the playgrounds, the swimming pools, and the badminton courts they all were in the wide space, and which actually helped us to refresh our mind always. And the principal and the faculty has always cooperated a lot, and we often used to go to labs to perform different experiments, and we often did our studies in the labs. We also participated in different kind of curricular activities also, like different kind of annual functions. If you are a sports lover, you should definitely go for the clusters. It's quite famous for the clusters, and we definitely win in clusters. And we also used to go for different excursions, we went once Delhi IIT. From there we gained different kind of experience, and then we had a robotics lab where we used to perform different kind of experiments, and sometimes we came to know about new things. And the teacher had always motivated us very well, and we also had extra classes to solve our problems. And I remember we made very beautiful memories. If you are finding a school with good ambience, with good faculties, with good students, with some nice fresh food of canteen, and some fun, and with curricular activities as well as the serious studies, it's a perfect combination. And still I have connections with SNVP friends. I do talk to each one of them, and yes, I have made very wonderful memories with my school, and thanks a lot for this.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alamgir Ali, and I am an alumni of Shanti Niketan Vidyapeeth. I was the topper of Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth in 2014 in 12th standard. I took admission in 11th standard and I was the topper of 12th standard in 2014. After completing my 12th standard, I took admission in National Institute of Technology Uttarakhand with the CSC branch and I got placed in Virtusa Consulting Private Limited. Currently, I am pursuing my job in Virtusa Consulting Private Limited. And I was the topper just because of the help, unconditional love and support of all the teachers, management and the principal sir in Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. I also like the infrastructure of the school Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. Now I want to give you a short message that to achieve any aim, you should have the four things. First of all, you should have the great aim, that what you have to do actually. You should have the great aim, not a small aim. And for that, you should acquire the knowledge for the continuous basis. And the third thing is that you should work hard for that. And the fourth thing is perseverance, that you should never give up until you get the success. So thank you for providing me opportunity to speak some words, and I will come soon to meet you offline.
Hi everyone, I'm Shrikant Sharma, a proud SNVP alumni and a pass out of batch 2012 and 13. Currently I'm working as an R&D professional in automobile industry. First of all, I would like to wish the entire SNVP family a very happy Founders Day. Going in a flashback, those 8 years of my school life from class 6 to class 12, SNVP was my second home. And yes, seamless journey at SNVP made me what I am today. SNVP is a perfect blend of academics and extra co-curricular activities. And yes, it believes in a philosophy that children are free bird and should be allowed to spread their wings to fly high and touch the sky. Yes, unlimited exposure along with academics was a boon to my personality. And yes, SNVP not only teaches you the basic education, but yes, the other important things which are really very helpful when you go out for your graduation, post-graduation, or when you step into a corporate world. Like one of the example I remember, like when I went to a college, there was a seminar going on life skills. And out of like 500 of a batch of my like BTech, I was the only one who was very well aware about the life skill, and the trainer was like shocked that how come up a child who just came out from the class 12th, who just passed class 12th, knows about life skill. So this is the difference you'll feel once you step out in a corporate world, or like you go for a graduation, post graduation, or anywhere, you'll feel the difference. So I really owe a lot to SNVP. And yes, I'm really grateful for that. So I wish SNVP all the best for his future endeavors. And yes, thank you very much. And
hello everyone, this is Akriti Meglani. I hope you are coping well during COVID-19. I'll always remain thankful to Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth for making me who I am today. Firstly, I'll heartily thank all my dear teachers. Words fall short of describing the contribution you have made for us. Also, to all my friends, thank you for the beautiful memories. Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth has given me a lot to cherish. It's the best educational center established by late Shri Nagin Jain sir. No amount of thanks would ever express my gratitude towards the school. I'm extremely proud to be a part of Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Manik Jain and I'm ex-SNVPN. I am very thankful for the school that it's provided me opportunity to speak some words on it. I am very happy and feel very proud when I say to someone that I had completed my school from Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. It's a very proud moment for all of us, and it's a very great moment for all of us that we are celebrating more than a decade, a Founders Day. It's a more than decade of our school to be a form. The words for the school, what I have to say, it's a less, because the school has provided me opportunities, with lots of opportunity what the school has provided me. The infrastructure, the academic, the teachers, the management, all are very, very nice in the school. It's 13 to 14 years I had spent in the Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. I had taken the admission in class KG and had completed my 12th from Shantiniketan. Within the journey of 13 to 14 years, I never feel any problem. I feel I feel very comfortable within the journey of the 14 years because the teachers are very, very supportive. They help in every situation. They help in every situation. They also help in the personal thing also if we discuss through them. I feel very, very happy throughout these 14 years. The school has provided with a lots of opportunities to me, the lots of activities, the lots of things, the lots of memories which I had created in the school. The thing which I had to say about the school is the bestest part of the school is the teachers. The teachers in the Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth are very, very supportive. Which I want to tell about the school is that here every child matters. I would like to thankful to our director sir Dr. Vishal Jain and our honorable principal ma'am Mrs. Vibha Gupta ma'am that these two great personalities are very supportive for all of the student where every student can directly talk to them and they can directly discuss their problem if they have. I also want to add some words for my TGTs, Ritu Singh ma'am and the Pratibha Gangwar ma'am. These two teachers helped me a lot. These two teachers helped me a lot in my board classes, and I personally used to say to the student, these two teachers are very supportive to me and for all the students. Now I am doing the agriculture courses from one of the bestest university of India, that is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, and I am also preparing for a UPSC, and I hope so I will clear it.
Greetings everyone and happy Founders Day. So talking about SNVP is a great trip down the memory lane and I only have good things to talk about it. First off, kudos to the teachers. They are amazing. They are so passionate to see their students succeed, which gives a very loving vibe, and I love the faculty there. They integrate compassion into their teachings, which creates a very healthy student-teacher relationship. Also, they are focused on teaching value lessons, which truly creates the leaders of tomorrow. Plus, the administration is so open-minded and thinks outside the box. They are focused on teaching leadership skills, communication skills, value lessons outside of classroom teachings, which is so important for all-round development of a kid. So yeah, I love being a part of the SNVP family, and I wish success for future ahead. Great team, great school. Bye.
Good morning, one and all. We would like to talk today about Founders Day, a day when we remember the founders of the school and value their legacy. We are indebted to the teachers and students who had the vision that led to the creations of the school and who have contributed to the leadership and vision of the school. We are lucky we are all being educated in a school as great as Shantiniketan Vidyapeeth. Our school gives us the opportunity to achieve the highest standard. We should acknowledge more the hard work of teachers do in trying to help us get those grades and reach our goals. This school has given me an opportunity that I will be forever grateful for. The traditions, the values and memories are some that I can keep for life. We owe them a depth of gratitude. Without them, this fine school simply would not exist, and this is why we honor them on Founders Day every year. All we want to say that reach high for the stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream precedes the goal. Thank you.